Hello techies, welcome to Java with Harris channel. Today our topic is, Amazon AMI. AMI stands for Amazon Mission Image. Mainly, this Amazon AMIs are designed for, in case of any customization kind of thing if you want. Example, let's say we have created any securities, or if you created any configurations, or some kind of any default things, right? So which is managed from the I mean which we created some basic configuration securities and all, and it should be uh, the same thing we have to follow entire company or entire team. If you want to follow the similar one, right, we can create custom AMI and give it to the team, and team whoever create a new instances, they can use that AMIs, custom AMIs, and then create the instances. The main advantage of the by creating the custom AMI, the reason, we can sometimes, if you want to save the booting time, right? So system loading time, or so if you want to follow the same security across the company, so it is possible. And also, not only that, if you want to do some kind of business, right? So we create a custom AMIs and you want to sell it to someone in the public forums, right? So we can do that one also. But we can now we can learn how to create AMI, and how can we use it from the AMI. How can we create instances again? We can do that part as well. So okay, and without delay, let's go to the practice. And first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you some interesting thing. Just click on launch. Just click on the launch for new instance. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to launch here instance AMI. Just I'm going to give name some name. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same Amazon Linux, the default one, and the default tire. It's fine. And key value pair is something like EC2 tutorial. Fine, that's fine. And then here, the security group. I'm going to use the same security group that which was created earlier. Fine. And what I'm going to do, click on the advanced section. And in the advanced section, I'm going to copy some details while start up the instances. So here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here. This is the area where we can write any kind of shell scripts here. So what I'm going to do, I have some predefined script. So what I'm going some am update, and install httpd, and then start httpd and enabling the httpd. So these commands, except the last command, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy all these commands and come back here and just paste it in this particular location. And that's it, guys. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to launch the instance. So just come back here and click on the launch instance. When I click the launch instance, yes, instance has been created, and come back here. So I think I need to reload this particular one. Yes, reload it. So what is happening here? So it is a pending state, this instance AMI. Just click on it. It's taking time, because once instance is started, then it needs to be run all these things. Okay, so I think it's started, but I think still takes some time to initialize everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just combine here and copy the public volume. I think I missed one thing, that is inbound and outbound. I think I am using the same security, right? So let me go back. Come on. It's, it's getting stuck due to some system issue. So click on the expand the instance summary. Expand it. Come on. And just to copy the public IP. Copied. I'm going to open a new tab. So http :// and this is the one. When I hit it, so by default HTTPD, yeah, it printed this one. Right, when I click this one, it is printed. By default it's take a little time. So next time what I'm going to do, instead of writing with the booting time of all these things, right? So booting, let's take for all these instructions which is already created in this instance. So I don't want to create again from the beginning. So what I can do, I create a image from this instance and I can reuse the image while creating another instances. So how can I do, like, just anyway it's been selected. So go to the actions and go to the image templates. Just click on that and click on create image. Just I'm clicking on create image. So it routes to the image section. I'm going to give name it as uh, my custom image. That is my name. My custom, I think AMI. Let's give any name. That's it. That doesn't matter. So I give just name. I think everything is pretty common. I don't want to change anything, just create an image. Okay, I think it is creating, the image is creating. Yes, its image is created now. I think it's loading now. It is getting preparing. Let's try to see that. I think still it is taking little time and we'll see. Once image is available, then what we can do, we can create a new instance from this image and then, you know, um, uh, we no need to configure everything from the scratch again. So we can use the the already created HTTPD and we can do that. So let's go to the images section and AMI, just click on that and we can see image is created or not. We can see the list of images and click on this one. Yes, I clicked it. Hey, come on. Yes, I think it's clicked. Page is loading. Yes, you see now this image is created successfully. I think status is still pending. Let's see. Let's hope it will be ready. We need to wait for some time because from the instance we are creating the image, right? So everything is preparing. Might be it takes little time, but this is really a good thing. You know, if you want to restrict any people inside the company, basically in software companies, like we do such a creation of custom image, custom AMIs, and then we restrict the people instead of creating by their own, use the same kind of thing, which is, I mean, we use the same custom image so that every instance is under the same security group. I think it is still doing that. Come on, please hold some time and then we'll come back. Yes, guys. You see that? That image is available now. Image is available now. That's fine. Cool. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to the instance section, and this time what I'm going to do, I'm going to see that a new instance launching. I think let's all the sections are loading. Yeah, instances. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to launch the new instance. So click on the new instance, and it's been clicked. I believe we can move to, oh, it's crashed. I'm just reloading the page, and let's come back. I'm going to pass some time until I want to do some kind of, the cleanup operation. Might be it is taking time. Uh, yes, guys. Now you can see here, I'm going to click on the launch new instance, and here I'm clicking the new instance is launched. So what I'm going to do, instance from uh, custom AMI. Okay, this time what I'm going to do, instead of you know, selecting the AWS provided Amazon Linux, then I'm going to use my AMIs and also my owned by me. So I created, right? So the name I have given my custom AMI. So this is the one which is selected. Anyway, only one image right now available. So I selected that one, and let's come back here. Use the same instance type, and key value pair is EC2 key value pair. So pretire EC2 key value pair, and I don't want to create a new wizards. So use the same security group, and that's fine. And I come back here and click on this advanced. And if you see this particular thing, I'm going back here. Now what I'm going to interesting part is, instead of using the entire thing, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the just the starting thing for the bash, and then I'm coming back here and finally using this particular echo. I don't want to start because it was there already in from the image, so I'm doing the just a hello world. Okay, so just click on launch. So it's been launched now, and I'm just clicked here, and you see just reload this particular thing, and here you can see this is the one which is so, and go to the copy the public IP address here, and just reload it again whether it started or not. Yes, it's running now. I'm going back to the new tab and click on http colon slash slash. Just click on this one. You see, immediately it started. It won't take like a previous one, right? Why? Because the boot operation was already done. So that is the reason. If you use the custom AMIs, even if you want to do whatever customization you want. Right now, what I have done, I have customized the some boot operation. I saved some boot operation, and then I use the direct the script over here. That's the reason. Immediately it give the response, something like this. That's it, guys. How to create AMIs, advantage of the AMIs, and then, yeah, that's it. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.